Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tailscale admin console for VPS networking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type tailscale.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to a login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Tailscale account. After entering your email, click the Continue button. You will receive an email from Tailscale. Open your email client and locate the email from Tailscale. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your identity. Once redirected, you'll be taken back to the Tailscale admin console. If prompted, enter your password to complete the login. Now, you should see your Tailscale admin console dashboard. From here, you can manage your VPS networking settings. Explore the available options to configure your network as needed. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the Tailscale website. This concludes the login process for the Tailscale admin console. You are now ready to start managing your VPS networking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.